Hello everybody. Today we're going to be doing a painting of donut painting inspired by Wayne Thiebold. So go ahead and check out his work before you get started here. This might be, it's a two-step process, so it might turn into two videos. We'll see how it goes. You're going to need a piece of watercolor paper, your watercolor paints, a little cup of water, a larger paintbrush, some salt from your kitchen, and a piece of plastic wrap from your kitchen also. So we start off with the process of the wet on wet watercolor process, which means go ahead and use your little cup of water there and get your page relatively wet. I did these before, and I like the kind of pastel, the soothing colors that Wayne Thiebold uses, so I think I'm going to stick with pastels for my next painting too. So after you have applied quite a bit of water to your paper, choose the color that you're going to go with. I'll use purple, I think, for this one. You can use several colors mixed together. If you get more than two colors on a page, sometimes you can get a little muddy, but I'm just going to go with kind of a nice vibrant purple. So after you have your whole page covered with the colors that you want to use, I think I am going to put a little blue in there too, just to kind of tone down that purple a little bit. So while your page is wet, after you have completely covered the area that we're working with, go ahead and take the salt, and wherever you sprinkle the salt on the page, we've done this before, it absorbs some of the water from the watercolors and leaves concentrated little pigments, and you get these little starburst looks. That's a little starburst, just for some interest on your page. And the plastic wrap, you crinkle that up and lay that flat on your page. Also, everywhere where that plastic touches the paper, you'll get these interesting patterns from the plastic wrap too. So you want to let this totally dry before we move on to the second part of the project, which is painting our donuts.